I've got another trade signal for the team members out there, and I'm going to share it with you right now. Obviously, if you're looking at this chart here, you're probably thinking you don't understand anything, and you don't really grasp what's going on. We can see that there's been a significant amount of volume. A lot of people have participated, but the actual mechanics are unclear. But you'll see. I'm going to break it down for you. We're currently looking at the weekly time frame, and the token we're focused on is LUNC. Now, what exactly is LUNC? It's a meme coin, just a meme coin, and we're very clear about that. The ultimate objective here isn't to get married to the token. It's not about holding on to it or collecting it as some sort of digital artifact. Personally, I don't collect them. My objective, plain and simple, is to make money. And I'm going to explain my trade for today. When you encounter a situation like this, where you're not quite sure what's happening on the daily time frame, things can seem a bit murky. But when you zoom out, when you shift your perspective to the weekly chart, that's when you start to really understand what's going on. We can observe these bullish divergences. You see, multiple bullish divergences appearing, indicating a potential buy signal. Here, this green dot that you can see on my chart, it signifies a crucial point, a moment where historically, if you've been following the price action, this is the time. We're watching the volume increase. Then the volume starts to rise, and then, the volume begins to decrease. So the question becomes, do I jump into the trade right now? And the answer, my friends, is no. This right here, this distinction, this is precisely what separates a seasoned trader from someone who's just dabbling or following the hype. Before I even consider entering the trade, what will happen is that the stochastic oscillator is going to start moving upwards. That's the white line that you see plotted here. It's about to begin its ascent because the RSI, which is this smaller white line right here, is poised to dip towards the 0 point. And once it crosses that 0 point, it's going to generate a green signal.
And the results you're seeing, these are my personal results. And they are also the results of the incredible people who are trading alongside me. We've been achieving some truly remarkable outcomes. And even during periods like the sharp decline of SHIB, which some of you might remember, we saw gains of 7x, another 7x here, a 3x, then an 8x. It all adds up, you see, going from that 1.219 to 8.19. These are all documented results from April 13th. So if you're interested in joining us and learning how to trade effectively, it's completely free. Just send me a message, otherwise the link is conveniently located at the bottom of this video. I'm not sure if you enjoyed my little video regarding LUNC, and as I mentioned, what really gives me the confidence, the motivation to enter a trade is that definitive bullish vector candle formation. So I'm not sure if you've appreciated this, but I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.